did you not make $1 billion today, Sebastian? That's all. I just want to know, Sebastian. If you knew where the market was going to go, why did you not make $1 billion today?
What's going on? Welcome to another full transparency trading session where I'm your host Sebastian, and this is one of those you got to take the good with the bad type of days where we started off our day doing very well. We've made $400 on the account for today, which brings us to today will be day number 5, $2,476 of the $3,100 that we need to get paid, right? But we won't, as we approach day 8, we won't take a payout. Well, we may take a payout. It just depends on where we're at. We won't look to immediately take a payout though until we get to $6,000. Once we get to $6,000, then we'll look to take our payout, and we'll take it on over to the payout screen right here. Reason for that being this: you need $3,100 to even qualify for a payout, and when you get that, you only qualify for the minimum payout size of $500, right? So in order to get the $2,500, you need to make an extra $2,500 on top of the trailing threshold, which I know seems ridiculous, but the rules are the rules, and that's how it works. So we'll get to $6,000, we'll take the $2,500 payout, and then we'll continue to trade for back to that $6,000 mark and higher as time goes on. But when I take my first payout from an account, I do like to get the maximum out. It'd rather be to fund other accounts, but I'm actually currently full on accounts, so we'll just take the $2,500, put it in my bank account, and use it for something else. I do have an incredible tax bill that I have to take care of as usual, so that'll help out with that as well. And as we go forward, 3,000 on this account, 3,500 on a 300k account, and we don't have any 50s right now. We damn sure don't have any 25s, so we're good there. But the minimum payout that you can receive for any size account is $500, and the maximum being these. Now, what I like about Top Step over the Apex Trader funding is I can just get 50% of my account balance out up to $5,000. That is a lot more on your plate, but what you also need to understand about that is that's a lot more tax money that you're going to be paying as well. If you leave the money in the account overall, then you won't be taxed on it. You're not taxed on the money until you start taking it out of the account. So build these accounts up as big as you can, as best you can, and then eventually come in here and start taking out funds. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. This is just a quick video updating what we're doing. We're doing it with mostly micros and stuff like that. You know, so when it comes down to it, you just go to our setup real quick. We are doing currently 200 ticks, 2 micros to 60 ticks, which is a $60 risk in order to make $200. And if I flip it upside down and show you how far down it has to go to get to the $200 mark, it needs to get within 2 of these, 3 of these. But the first place that I would be looking to lock in is at this line right here, which is about $78. And then I would check for this line here, which is about $160. And then of course, as we approach $200, I would take my take profit and I would throw it as far down as I could, probably to the demand zone. But we're slowly coming down after that all-night run-up. They're basically giving options a chance to get into the market now. And as that happens, we will get down here to 574 flat, and then we'll see what happens from there. We made it all the way to 576. We're heading down to 574 right now. But I also wouldn't hop into a trade right now because we're so close to noon. Being so close to noon, the volume could die off and completely reverse on you. So I wouldn't be looking to hop into a trade until maybe 1 o'clock. But I'll check you guys out later. You know the motto, take the easy money. And as always, you see green, take green, you'll stay green. And that's it for us. Check you guys out later. This is your boy Sebastian. This has been another full transparency trading session, and I'm out.